Hello everyone, welcome back to the Daily Blend, episode 201. I'm your host, Oliver, and I am feeling very cozy today. You know, Maya, I'm wearing my favorite thick woolly jumper because I heard that today, February 10th, is actually Knit Day here in Japan.
オリバー、ハロー。あ、本当だ。そのセーターすごく暖かそうだね。そうそう、今日は2月10日でニットの210の日なんだよ。日本では語呂合わせで記念日を決めることが多いんだけど、ニットの日はまさに今の季節にぴったりだよね。
It really is. It's still quite chilly outside, so a nice knit is perfect. But even though the weather is cold, the news in Japan is actually getting very, very hot, especially if we look at the business world.
お、うまいこと言うね。外は寒いけどニュースは暑いと。ビジネスの世界で熱いニュースといえば、やっぱりあの歴史的な記録のことかな。
Exactly. Our first story today is a huge one. The Nikkei 225 stock index has absolutely skyrocketed, passing 57,000 points to reach an all-time high.
57,000円？ついにそこまで行ったんだ。ニュースで少し見てたけど、そんなにすごいことになってるんだね。オリバー、今、all-time high って言ったよね。これってどういう意味
Great catch, Maya. An all-time high is a very common expression in business and sports. It simply means the highest level or value that has ever been reached in history. So, for the Nikkei index, 57,000 is the highest it has ever been since the market began. It's a new record.
なるほど。オールタイムハイで史上最高値とか過去最高記録っていう意味なんだね。これまでの歴史の中で一番高い数字になったと。すごいな。日本の景気がそんなに良くなってる実感はあまりないけど、数字で見ると驚きだね。
I know what you mean. The index hit an intraday high of 57,337 on February 9th. This massive rally was fueled by the recent election victory for the LDP and the economic plans of Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi.People are calling it Sanaeonomics. Investors are very excited about potential tax cuts and government spending.
サナエノミクスか。新しい経済政策への期待感が株価を押し上げてるんだね。でも、1年で 45% も上がったって聞いたけど、それって普通なの？
Not at all. A 45% increase in 1 year is incredible. It shows that we are currently in a very strong bull market.
ブルマーケット？牛の市場？あ、これって投資の用語かな？オリバー、詳しく教えて。
You're right, it sounds a bit strange, but a bull market is a period when stock prices are rising and people are encouraged to buy. Think of a bull attacking. It thrusts its horns up into the air. So, a bull market means the market is going up.The opposite is a bear market, because a bear swipes its paws down.
へえ、牛が角を突き上げる動作から株価が上がってる状態をブルマーケットって言うんだ。面白いね。強気相場っていうことか。逆の弱気相場は雲の動作でベアマーケットって言うんだ。勉強になる。
It's a classic bit of financial English.And because of this bull market, the index managed to break a barrier that many people thought was impossible just a few years ago. Passing 50,000 was huge, but 57,000 is just mind-blowing.
ブレイクはバリアーか。直訳すると壁を壊すだけど、つまり大きな節目を突破するとか限界を超えるみたいなニュアンスかな。
Spot on.When we say break a barrier, we mean passing a significant level or a difficult obstacle. In this case, the 57,000-point mark was a major psychological barrier for investors. Now that it's broken, everyone is looking to the future with a lot of hope.
なるほどね。57,000円っていう大きな壁を突破したことで、みんなの気持ちも前向きになってるってことか。投資家の人たちは今どんな雰囲気なの
？Well, overall, investor sentiment is very positive right now. People are feeling confident about Japan's economic outlook, which is leading to more retail investing, ordinary people putting their savings into the market.
インベスターセンチメントね。投資家のセンチメント、つまり投資家の心理とか市場のムードってことかな？
Exactly. It's the general mood or attitude of investors towards the market. When investors' sentiment is high, people are willing to take risks and buy more stocks. It's like a wave of optimism.
投資家の心理がポジティブだから、さらに株が買われて記録が更新されていくっていう良いサイクルに入ってるんだね。私も少し投資を始めてみようかなって思っちゃう。
Well, it's certainly an exciting time. But let's shift from the heat of the stock market to the literal ice of the Winter Olympics. Our second story takes us to Italy for the Milano Cortina 2026 Games.
お、次はオリンピックの話題だね。イタリアのミラノ・コルチナ・ダンペッツォ。フィギュアスケートの団体戦、すごかったよね。
It really was. Team Japan delivered a stunning performance and managed to clinch a medal in the figure skating team event.
クリンチやメダル。これスポーツニュースでよく聞く気がする。メダルを取るってことだよね。
Yes, exactly. To clinch a medal means to successfully secure or win a medal in a competition. It's often used when the result becomes certain. Japan secured the silver medal after some brilliant skating from Kaori Sakamoto and the pairs team Miura and Kihara.
坂本花織選手にリクリクペア、本当に素晴らしかった。銀メダル獲得、本当におめでとうだよね。でも、金メダルのアメリカとはすごく惜しい差だったって聞いたよ。
It was incredibly close. Japan finished with 68 points, which was only 1 point behind the USA. For most of the competition, it was a total dead heat.
デッドヒート？死んだ熱？ちょっと怖い表現だけど、どういう意味なの？
Oh, don't worry, it's not scary. A dead heat is a situation in a race or competition where two or more participants are exactly even or so close that you can't easily tell who is winning. It's like a tie or a neck-and-neck race. Japan and the USA were swapping the lead back and forth constantly.
ああ、なるほど。接戦とかデッドヒートのことだね。日本語でもデッドヒートを繰り広げるって言うけど、英語でも同じように使うんだ。1ポイント差なんて本当に最後までどっちが勝つかわからない接戦だったんだね。
It really was tense. Especially in the final segments, the skaters were under pressure to be perfect. One small mistake could have changed everything.
アンダープレッシャー。これは私でもわかる気がする。プレッシャーを感じている、重圧がかかっている状態だよね。
That's right. When you are under pressure, you are performing a task while facing high stress or very high expectations from others. Can you imagine the pressure of skating for your whole country with a medal on the line?
うわー、想像しただけで心臓がバクバクしちゃう。日本中の期待を背負って滑るなんてすごいプレッシャーだろうな。でもその中で自己ベストを更新したり、素晴らしい演技をしたりする選手たちは本当に尊敬しちゃうよ。
I agree. Miura and Kihara actually recorded a personal best score in their free skate. They really showed their strength under pressure. Now the whole country is celebrating this podium finish.
ポーディアムフィニッシュ。表彰台に上がることだよね。
Exactly. A podium finish means finishing in the top 3 of a competition, gold, silver, or bronze. Since they got silver, they got to stand on the podium and see the Japanese flag raised. It's such a proud moment for the fans.
表彰台に上がる姿を見ると、こっちまで感動しちゃうよね。団体戦で銀メダルをクリンチしたことで、これから始まる個人戦にもすごくいい勢いがついたんじゃないかな。
I think so too. The investor sentiment in the business world is high, and the sports sentiment in Japan is definitely at an all-time high right now too.
うまい。今日の表現全部使おうとしてるでしょ。でも本当に明るいニュースが続いて嬉しいね。
It really is. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly review today's expressions. We'll go a bit slower this time so you can practice.
はい。皆さんも一緒に復習しましょう。
First, all-time high. This means the highest level or value ever reached, like the Nikkei 225 hitting 57,000 points.
オールタイムハイ。史上最高値、過去最高記録のことですね。
Second, bull market. This is a market where share prices are rising, which encourages people to buy. Think of a bull pushing its horns up.
ブルマークット、上昇相場、強気相場のことですね。牛が角を突き上げるイメージです。
Third, break a barrier. To pass a significant level or a difficult obstacle, Japan's stock market broke a huge psychological barrier this week.
ブレイカーバリア、大きな壁を突破する、節目を超える意味です。
Fourth, investor sentiment. The general mood or attitude of investors towards the market. Currently, it's very positive in Japan.
投資家の心理、市場のムードのことですね。
Fifth, clinch a medal. To successfully win or secure a medal in a competition.
メダルを確定させる、獲得するという意味です。
Sixth, dead heat.